322,000 miles. Never seen a Highlander with this much mileage, especially in New York City. Naturally aspirated V6. Oh man. Woo. I'm already at 60. This thing goes like crazy. Wow. So when I saw the owner with a 322,000 mile Highlander, especially 2011, I was very curious. So basically he used it for Uber, Lyft, rideshare, and some taxi, black cab, especially in New York City. And I was like, wow, that's a lot of mileage. So he did some work on it. Nothing on with the engine and transmission. The engine and transmission is still original. He did work on the suspension. He did it recently. He did a tune-up. So that's that. Apart from that, he needs to work on the shocks and a little bit of alignment. The bumps, yeah, it observes the bumps pretty good for a big SUV. I mean, I just like the height of this Highlander, especially compared to the 2014 and onwards when they did the redesign, and the 2020. I think this one feels a little higher. I'm not sure if that's the case. It just feels more like a truck. The 2014 to 2019 Highlander feels more like an RX 350 with a third row, which is not bad. Lexus RX 350. But this one is feels like kind of like a full-size SUV, even though it's a crossover SUV borderline. But man, the shake, the vibration, it's there. Needs tire balancing and alignment. The body, yes, if you get into this, if you drive this, you're gonna feel like the body has a lot of wear and tear. Feels like a 322,000 mile car. Not completely, but yeah, it's been driven every day. That's almost. But the mechanical side of it doesn't feel like a 322,000 mile car. The body exterior portion shows. Interior doesn't. The interior holds up pretty nice. Got a backup camera. Got Bluetooth audio. Also has a USB aux port. Not a bad interior for 2011. Still has some steering controls there. Has a CD player. Mirror controls. The interior held up pretty nicely. I mean, to be honest with you. I mean, seats are wrapped in some kind of leather, but the dash especially held up pretty nice. I know you hear a lot about Toyotas lasting 400,000 miles and whatnot, but you rarely see these type of high mileage vehicles these days, especially with all the people going for leases and electric vehicles and stuff like that. So once I found one, I was curious to check it out, and here it is. I kid you not, this thing pulls. Handling is okay. I mean, it needs a little bit of alignment to get the proper handling type, but man, 0 to 60, I'm not sure what it is. I didn't measure it, but feels pretty good. You can go past a lot of sedans with this V6 Toyota Highlander 2011. We're coming up to a turn right now. Let's see if this thing. Another turn. Slight amount of body roll, but that's fine. Pretty smooth turn. Yeah, I'm telling you, man, this thing goes like crazy. Instant torque, instant acceleration. Doesn't feel like an SUV. This feels like, yeah, this feels like an electric Toyota. It's not an electric Toyota. It feels like a V8 at times. Faster. The biggest compliment I'm going to give it to this car is it's faster than it looks. All right, I'll leave it at that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down twice. But please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, this is Kazi signing out. Take care.